Alright, so here we're going to do a little review of some screens from AliExpress in 2014 Audi Q7. Alright, these for my kids are Android screens. So let's go over how they mount. So they have a little piece that goes in the headrest, and then they just slide in. There's an adjuster for up and down, and they pivot. It's got a wire. It's got a connector here for power and a video input. I run that down through the seat. The seats come apart really easy. You just actually push this to the right a little bit, and they pop right off. I ran the power down and into the center console, and soldered my wires on the power outlets back here on the wiring, and use some bullet connectors so I can disconnect it. Alright, the screens only have one button on them. There's a small, I can't see it, a little light that comes on here. I'll go ahead and power them up. That's pretty good. There we go. Try to keep it in focus. Not the best quality video. Alright, and we're booted up. They also have some nifty little lights at the bottom, little ambiance. The menu structure is selectable for lots of different vehicles. This one's to match close to my Audi. And let's see. Let's go. Oops. It says it's Android 9. I don't actually use Android too much. So my kids got a few Android tablets that they use. So far they seem to like them. So I don't know, I guess they're good. We'll see. I haven't tried connecting up the video input yet. Speaking of which, they have right on the side, you see there's a USB port and headphones. We got an AV2, a reset button, and then the micro SD card slot. Now, I don't see an AV1 or 2 on here. So maybe one's an out to connect the screens together. I don't know. Yeah, that is essentially it. Oh yeah, size-wise, they don't look too big. They don't look silly or ridiculous or anything. Oh, and then I ran the AV cables, which I haven't tried out yet, but this cubby I don't really use for anything at all, so I just went ahead and ran them inside here, and that about sums it up.